How to change display language in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to change the display language in your Windows 10 or 11, then first you just need simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to go with the left side, and here you need to search for language. After searching for language, you need to go with language settings. Under your language settings, here you will have preferred languages. You can go with add a language and then select a language that you are comfortable with. So I'll just simply go with the language. And after selecting that, you need to go with next, and you need to download that language or install that language. So you can select language pack, text to speech, handwriting, and set as my Windows display language. So if you want to set this language as your display language, then you need to check this box, and after that go with install. And after installing, then it will be automatically set as your Windows display language. Or if you don't want to set it now, then you just need to simply go with install, and it will start the installing. It might take a few seconds. Now you need to go with the control panel. So search for control panel. After opening your control panel, go with the region section. Under region, you can go with the format, and you can select the language that you've downloaded, or you can also go with language preferences. Once you go with it, then it will take it to the same kind of settings. But if you're on your Windows 10, then it will take it to the additional settings, and you'll be able to change your language. But if you're on your Windows 11, then it will take you to this kind of page. You can just simply wait till it downloads the language. And after downloading, you'll be able to select the language and change it. That's how you can change your display language. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.